In the next 4.5 minutes, you will see a new way to look at Chevrolet, American jobs, and your local economy. Welcome to Lou Backroad Chevrolet, and thank you for shopping with us. In a time where every family is feeling the pressures of a tough economy, the Lou Backroad family recognizes the decision to purchase the right vehicle at the right price is more important than ever. Take just a moment and we'll show you a few things you may not already know about Chevrolet and Lou Backroad that we hope will assure you you're making the right decision. The decision to drive a Chevrolet and drive what drives America. Every new Chevrolet at Lou Backroad is backed by the best coverage in America. 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty coverage on the powertrain with roadside assistance and courtesy transportation. 6-year unlimited mileage warranty coverage on rust and corrosion, which is important to consider with the South Florida weather. And a comprehensive 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty that covers just about everything. That's the protection you need. Now, let's talk about quality. General Motors and Chevrolet lead the world in research and development of new and emerging technologies that are making Chevy better in numerous ways. Millions of new Chevrolets are already equipped with flex fuel capabilities, allowing you to use alternative fuels like E85 ethanol. Hybrid technology is here in the form of the new Chevrolet Malibu. That's right, the North American Car of the Year now comes in a hybrid version. The Chevy Tahoe is the first full-size SUV in America with hybrid technology and actually gets better city fuel economy than the Toyota Camry 4-cylinder. And the new Chevy Silverado Hybrid brings hybrid fuel-saving technology to the pickup category. And speaking of fuel savings, the debut of the fully electric Chevy Volt has got the industry and most of America excited about being on the forefront of technology with a vehicle that produces zero emissions, making the planet greener for our future. And don't forget, Chevrolet is making the overall cost of owning a vehicle less expensive for everyone by having 8 different models on the road that get an EPA estimated 30 miles per gallon or better on the highway. That's savings you can bank on. Of course, some of the most appreciated advancements that have been made by Chevrolet are in the area of safety, with features like electronic stability control, traction control, advanced airbag systems and seatbelt technology, the early warning features of a driver information center, and even side blind zone alerts, which employ radar beam technology to avoid unsafe lane changes. Add it all up, and it spells a 5-star crash safety rating on just about every Chevy model in the showroom at Lou Backroad today. And don't forget about the exclusive safety features you get with General Motors' OnStar system with items like automatic crash response, turn-by-turn navigation, hands-free phone dialing, and an emergency call button. Toyota, Honda, or Nissan have nothing even remotely like it. Proof that Chevrolet has made safety a top priority. So add it all up and you'll understand why we say Chevrolets are the best built, best backed cars in America. It's easy to see why you should put Chevrolet on your shopping list, and in today's challenging economic environment, there's something else you should know. In addition to being the best built, best backed cars in America, with every Lou Backroad Chevrolet, you get something extra. You get an added helping of national pride. Let us show you what we mean. You probably know that General Motors and Toyota sell about the same number of vehicles here in America, and that it takes about the same number of workers to build each car. So, what's the difference? Well, GM employs more American workers to build each car. A lot more. How? Take a look at the number of manufacturing facilities here in the United States for General Motors versus Toyota. Unlike Toyota, Nissan, and Honda, most of General Motors factory workers are put to work here in the United States, not overseas. In fact, there are 72 American factory workers employed for every 2,500 GM vehicles sold in America, much more than Toyota. We call that a jobs per car rating. And did you know that every American auto worker job supports 9 other American jobs? That's how we derive our American jobs per car rating of 648 by looking at the jobs affected by our own American auto industry. Just think of the hundreds of thousands of American workers employed by thousands of parts suppliers, transportation companies, and advertising and marketing firms, as well as hundreds of thousands of Americans working at the banks and finance companies that depend on American automobile sales to provide loans. Then there are tens of thousands of sales organizations like Lou Backroad, employing Americans by the hundreds of thousands. There are the insurance companies, repair facilities, and so much more. Now, just think of all these folks spending their paychecks in your local community, from groceries to taxes. And you will understand that when American transportation stops, so does America. You see, when you drive a new vehicle from Lou Backroad Chevrolet, you literally drive what drives America. And that's something you can be proud of. Moms and dads working, food on the table, American kids going to college, fuel-efficient, American-built vehicles in the garage, and a commitment to safety and green technology that will keep America strong for generations. We hope we've shown you plenty of reasons why buying a new Chevrolet is a smart decision, and we'd like to prove that buying one from Lou Backroad Chevrolet is even smarter. Lou Backroad Chevrolet is committed to providing the best Chevrolet pricing, trade values, financing, and overall purchase experience. Period. End of story. From the easiest internet shopping experience available at ChevroletCoupon.com to our informative and innovative showroom, any way you work with Lou Backroad Chevrolet is guaranteed to be a money-saving, time-respectful experience. In fact, before you purchase a Chevrolet from anyone other than Lou Backroad Chevrolet, you owe it to yourself to call our Best Deal hotline at 888-711-8243. Your call will be answered personally by our General Manager, Stacy Soulful, and you will soon see why our dealership is unlike any other Chevrolet dealership anywhere. So pick up the phone and call our General Manager, or just come on down to Lou Backroad Chevrolet. Drive what drives America. Chevrolet, the best built, best backed cars in America. From all your friends and neighbors employed here at Lou Backroad, thank you for watching. We hope to see you back again soon.